Dear students, I am Devender, your maths sir. Now you can see your class 9th maths. Now you can see here exercise 2.4, question number 5. If both x minus 2 and x minus of 1 by 2 are factors of px square plus 5x plus r, then show that p is equal to r. How can you see? First of all, I am taking here let p of x is equal to px square plus 5x plus r. Already they mentioned given that what they have mentioned here x minus 2 and x minus 2 are both are the factors of p of x or not. That means what is the 0 of this polynomial x minus 2 0 how much it is x minus 2 is equal 0 yes or no x minus 2 is equal 0 means x is equal to or not. So that remainder is how much p of 2. I am taking here p of 2 is equal 0 and what is the 0 of x minus 2? X minus 2 is equal x minus 1 by 2 is equal 0. That means x is equal 1 by 2 or not. That means p of 1 by 2 is also 0. That means the remainders are 0. P of 2 is equal 0 and p of 1 by 2 is equal 0. And just I mentioned here what is the 0 of x minus 2 is 2. What is the 0 of x minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only. Now first of all I am taking here p of 2 is equal 0. That means p of 2 is equal 0 means you can just substitute instead of x you can substitute here 2 only. That means here I am writing here p of x square means 2 square. 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r is equal 0. Implies can I write here p into 4. That means 2 square is how much? 4. 4 into p can I write 4p or not? Yes 4p plus 5 2 ja 10 plus r is equal 0. That means you can write here 4p plus r is equal to minus 10. Yes or no? If I am transposing 10 to RHS, it will get minus 10 or not? Yes, 4p plus r is equal to how much? Minus 10. You can just assume this is the first equation. Now you can take one more here. What is the one other remainder? P of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. You can write here implies therefore here p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0. That means you can write here p of 1 by 2. That means here p into what is that here mentioned p into x square. That means can I write here p into 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r is equal 0 implies see here p into 1 by 2 whole square means it is 1 by 4 or not 1 by 4 plus here 5 into 1 by 2 means it is 5 by 2 or not yes 5 by 2 plus r is equal 0 yes or no. Yes, that means I can write here implies here p by 4 here 5 by 2. That means here you can see 2 and 4 LCM is how much? 2 and 4 LCM is how much it is? 2 and 4 LCM is 4 only. Yes or no? That means I am taking here 4 as the LCM. Now you can see here 4 1 ja 4. That means you can write here 1 into p only. Plus here 2 2 ja 4. That means 2 5 ja you can write here 10 plus here r means it is r by 1 or not. That means 1 4 ja 4. That means you can write here 4 into r 4 r is equal 0. You can transpose 4 to RHS. You will get how much? Remainder. That means here is equal 0. That means here you can write here p plus 10 plus 4 r is equal 0 into 4 is equal 0 only. Yes or no? Yes. That means you can see here. Can I write here p plus 4 r is equal to minus 10. If I am transposing 10 to RHS, see, if I am transposing 10 to RHS, it is plus 10 will become minus 10 or not? That yes or no? Yes. Once you can observe, this is the second one, second equation. Once you can see here, first equation is how much? 4p plus r is equal to minus 10. This is also 4p plus 4r is equal to minus 10. That means once you can observe here, first and second one, both are equal to minus 10 or not? Yes. So that can I equate here? See, I am writing here from 1 and 2. Can I write here 4p plus r is equal p plus 4r? Yes or no? Yes. Now you can see here you can transpose p to LHS, you can transpose r to RHS. That means can I write here 4p minus p is equal to 4r minus r? Can I write or not? Yes. That means you can see here 4p minus p is how much? 3p is equal to 4r minus r are how much? 3r. That means you can see 3 3 cancel. Yes or no? Yes. That means you can getting is how much? P is equal to r or not? Yes. How much it is equal to? P is equal to r. Once you can see here what they are asking in our question C, we can show that P is equal to r or not? Yes. Once you can observe here, what is your answer? P is equal to R. This is your solution. Now you can see here question number 6. If x square minus 1 is a factor of x power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, show that a plus c plus e is equal b plus d is equal 0. First I am taking here c. Let p of x is equal to x power 4 px cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. You know that x square minus 1, it is in the form of a square minus b square or not? Yes, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b or not? So that I am writing here x square minus 1 is equal x plus 1 into x minus 1. But already they mentioned x square minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial p of x or not? Yes. So that x plus 1 and x plus 1 and x minus 1 are also factors of p of x. See here, if it is x plus 1 is a factor of p of x, you know what is the remainder? P of minus 1 or not? Yes or no? P of minus 1 means you know that how to find the 0 of x plus 1. Just you can equate x plus 1 is equal 0. That means x is equal to minus 1 or not? That means here 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. That means you can remember here remainder is p of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 0. And one more here, see x minus 1 is a factor of not. See here p of minus 1 means you can substitute wherever x is available, you can write here minus 1. That means I am writing here see a into, you can write here a into minus 1 whole power 4 plus b into minus 1 whole cube plus c into minus 1 whole square plus d into minus 1 plus e is equal 0. Yes or no? F of minus 1 is equal to 0 or not? Yes. Implies you can write here see minus 1 whole power 4. That means you can see here 4 is an even number or not, so that you can get here positive symbol. That means you will get here positive integer. That means you are getting here how much? 1 power 4 is 1 only. That means I will write here 1. Here minus 1 whole cube. That means it is a odd number. So you will get here negative symbol. That means I will write here minus b. Here minus 1 whole square plus 1 only. That means I am writing here c. Here minus 1 into d. That means you will get minus d plus c is equal 0. Now you can transpose minus b and minus d to RHS. Why? Because these two are negative terms. So that can I write here a plus c plus e is equal, can I write 0 plus bd or not? Yes or no? That means can I write here 0 plus b plus d. That means you are getting is how much? B plus d only. That means you can remember here. Therefore, a plus c is equal to how much? B plus d. This is while solving c, p of minus 1. Now you can find one more. P of 1 is equal to 0. Now you can see here p of 1. That means you can write here p of 1 is equal to 0. Implies p of 1 means you can substitute wherever x is available. You can write here 1. That means I am writing here a into 1 power 4 plus b into 1 power 3 plus c into 1 square plus d into 1 plus e is equal 0. That means you can see here a into 1 power 4 means it is 1 only or not? That means 1 into a only. A plus here 1 cube is 1 only. 1 into b only, plus 1 square is 1 only. 1 into c only. That means here d plus e is equal to 0. But once you can observe here a plus c is equal to how much? B plus d or not? That means you can consider this is equation 1. See here I am writing here a plus b plus c is equal to b plus d. I am writing here b plus d plus, you can consider a plus c plus c. That means I am taking here a plus c plus c. Already a plus c plus c went. That means you can remember here b plus d, you can write the other remaining terms. That means here b plus d is equal 0. That means you can write here b plus d plus b plus d. That means can I write here 2 into b plus d or not? Yes or no? 2 into b plus d is equal 0. Otherwise you can write b plus d 2b, d plus d 2d, your wish. Anyway you can represent c. 2 into b plus d is equal 0. That means can I write here c b plus d is equal, see if I am transposing 2 to RHS, can I write 0 by 2 or not? Yes or no? That means 0 by 2 means it is 0 or not? Therefore I will write here b plus d is equal to how much? 0. Yes or no? In the brackets you can write here from 1. From 1 I written here a plus c is equal to b plus d. See here how much you got here, b plus d is equal to 0. But here you know What do you mean by b plus d? B plus d is equal to a plus c or not? Yes, you can. So you can write here a plus c plus e is equal to b plus d is equal 0. I think our solution is completed. Why? Because they are asking just you can show that a plus c plus e, a plus c plus e is equal b plus d is equal 0. If you have any doubt, once you can see here, show that we need to show that a plus c plus c is equal b plus d is equal 0. This is your solution. Now you can see here seventh question. Factorize x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. First of all, I will take here, let p of x is equal x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. I already told the two conditions. First, you can find the sum of the coefficients. Minus 5 minus 9, how much? Minus 14. Minus 14 minus 3 is how much? Minus 17. Minus 17 plus 1 is how much? It is minus 16. Is it equal to 0? It's not equal to 0. So that you don't take x is equal to 1. You don't take x is equal to 1. Once you can consider, see here, you can see here, you can take x is equal to minus 1. X is equal minus 1, you can assume here, you can substitute p of, I am taking here by trial p of minus 1. See here minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. See here minus 1 whole cube is how much? Minus 1 only here. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 into 3 minus 3 only here. Here minus 3 minus plus 9 here minus 5. Once you can observe here minus 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5 is how much? Minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9 is how much? 0 or not? That means you are getting 0 or not. Therefore, you can see here p of minus 1 is equal to how much? You know that here p of minus 1 is equal 0. So, you can take here x plus 1. X plus 1 is a factor. X plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Yes or no? By factor theorem, you know that if the remainder is equal to 0, if p of a is equal to 0, you can take here x minus a is a factor. If p of minus a is equal to 0, x plus a is a factor of p of x. Have you studied factor theorem or not? If it is minus 1, you can take here plus 1. If it is plus, you can take here minus. It is very easiest one. See here x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now you can see here when we divide p of x by x plus 1 we will get x plus 1 we will get here. First you can divide it. What is here p of x? P of x is called x cube. You can see here x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. I need to divide with which one? X plus 1. You can see here x plus 1. How can you find the coefficient? See, already I explained how to find the coefficient. First you can consider is how much it is x cube. You can divide the first term in the dividend with first term in the divisor. X cube by x square how much? X cube by x is how much? You can divide x cube, that means here first term in the dividend with the first term in the divisor. X cube by x, you will get x square or not? So that this is the first term in the quotient. So that you can write here quotient as x square. Now you can multiply x square into x, you will get x cube. Yes or no? Yes. Here plus x square 1 into x square only. Now you can subtract minus plus x cube minus x will be cancelled. Minus 3x square minus x square, you will get minus 4x square. Now you can take this term here minus 9x. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can take one more term. How can you find? Now you can see here what is the dividend here. See here minus 4x square. What is the first term here? Minus 4x square. You can divide minus 4x square with x only. You can remember each and every term. What is the first term here? You can divide the first term with first term of the divisor. Minus 4x square by x. Minus 4x square by x. You will get how much? Minus 4x only. Yes or no? For x, x will be cancelled. You will get minus 4x. You can write here minus 4x. Now you can multiply minus 4x into x. You will get minus 4x square. Here minus 4x into plus 1. You will get minus 4x only. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can subtract. See here, subtraction means it will become plus. It will also be plus. Minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled. Minus 9 plus 4 will you get how much? Minus 5x. Yes or no? Minus 5x here. Next you will take minus 5. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can see here what is the first term here? Minus 5x. Here what is the first term here? X. You can divide minus 5x with x. That means you can see here minus 5x by minus 5. Sorry, it is plus x only. Plus x. You have to be careful here. See, x will cancel. You will get minus 5 is the third term of the quotient. This is the first term of the quotient. Second term here, third term. Third term is how much? Minus 5. You can write here minus 5. Minus 5 into x, you will get minus 5x. Here minus 5 into plus 1, you will get how much? Minus 5. Now you can do subtraction. How can you do subtraction? Means just you can change the symbols. It is plus, it is also plus. Now minus 5 plus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. You are getting 0 is the remainder or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. That means can you represent? You can see it. Therefore, you can write here x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equal to, you can write here divisor. That means here x plus 1 into quotient. Quotient is how much? X square minus 4x minus 5. Can I represent like this? Yes or no? But in that question they are asking to find the factorize. So once you can observe here x square minus 4x minus 5. What is the degree of this polynomial? 2. The degree of the polynomial is 2. Can you say this is a quadratic equation or not? Yes. How can you find the quadratic equations factors? Just you can see detailed x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to. See here first, while finding the factors of this polynomial, first you can split the middle term. Split the middle term into two terms. That means here what is your middle term? Minus 4. How can you write middle term? First of all you can check what is the constant here? Minus 5. Here how much? What is the coefficient of x square? 1 only or not? That means 1 into minus 5, how much you will get here? 1 into minus 5. It is equal to minus 5 or not? Yes or no? Now you can tell me what are the factors of minus 5? Yes or no? Minus 5 can be written as 1 into minus 5 or minus 1 into 5. Yes or no? Yes. But with using which two terms we will get minus 4? If I am doing minus 1 plus 5, how much? Minus 1 plus 5 you will get plus 4. Yes or no? But here how much your result? Minus 4. If I am doing 1 minus 5, you will get minus 4 or not? Yes. So that you can use here. Just you can split the middle term. X square, I am writing here plus x minus 5x minus 5. Is it okay? This is the main condition here. This is the most important. If you know this step, you can do the remaining very easy. See here, x means it is 1 or not by default. Plus 1 minus 5, you are getting minus 4 or not? See, is there any changes? No changes. Now you can see both terms having x as a common, x into x plus 1. See here minus 5x minus 5. That means can I take here minus 5 as common? Yes. Minus 5 into x minus 5x minus into plus minus 1. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. That means you can see here both terms having x plus 1. You can take here common x plus 1 into x minus 5. Is it okay? X plus 1 into x minus 5. But you can write here these two factors in this one. That means you can write here therefore x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equal to x plus 1 into what are the factors of this quadratic equation? X plus 1. Here also you can write here x plus 1 into x minus 5. This is your answer. Final answer is x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 5 is your answer. This is all your rough work only. This should be rough work. Now you can see here question number 8. If ax square plus bx plus c and bx square plus ax plus c have a common factor x plus 1, show that c is equal 0 and a is equal b. First of all, I am taking here let assumption only. Let p of x is equal to x square plus bx plus c and g of x is equal to bx square plus ax plus c. Given that these two are the two polynomials have a common factor x plus 1 or not? Yes or no? Once you can see here, this is the common factor of p of x and g of x or not? Yes. First of all, you can equate it to 0. Why? Because we need to find the 0 of x plus 1. What is the 0 of x plus 1? Just if I am equating to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 or not? So that I am writing here the 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. Now you know that what is the remainder? See, if p of x is divided by x plus 1, what is the remainder here? P of minus 1 or not? That means p of minus 1 is equal to 0. And if g of x is divided by x plus 1, what is the remainder here? G of minus 1 also 0. Why? Because it is a factor. You know that if it is a factor, the remainder will be equal to 0 or not? Yes. So that I am writing here p of minus 1 is equal to 0 and g of minus 1 is equal to 0. So that I am equating, so you can see here p of minus 1 is equal to g of minus 1. Just you can, wherever x is available, you can write here minus 1. That means I am writing here, you can see here, implies p of minus 1 means you can see here a into minus 1 whole square. Yes or no? You can write here a into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c is equal to, on the right side you can see here g of minus 1. You can see here g of minus 1 means b into minus 1 whole square plus a into minus 1 plus c. Yes or no? Yes. Once you can see here minus 1 whole square is plus 1. That means 1 into a will be a only. Here plus into minus minus b plus c is equal, minus 1 whole square is plus 1 only. 1 into b only. Here plus into minus minus a plus c. Once you can see here on the left hand side c, on the right hand side c, both will be cancelled. Yes or no? Yes. Now you can transpose minus a to LHS and minus b to RHS. That means you can get here c, a plus a is equal b. If I am transposing minus b to RHS, you will get plus b or not? Yes. That means you can see here a plus a is equal to how much? 2a is equal, b plus b is how much? 2b. That means a plus a is equal to a, b plus b is equal to b. That means 2a is equal to b means, can I write is equal a is equal b or not? Yes or no? Yes. Well, because 2 will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled. So that I am getting here a is equal b. Now you can see already you know that p of minus 1 is equal to 0 or not? Yes. From, I am writing here, see, p of minus 1 is equal to 0. P of minus 1 is equal to 0 means already you know that a into minus 1 whole square. You can write there once again. A into minus 1 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus c is equal to 0 or not? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. That means you can write here 1 minus 1 whole square is how much? 1. 1 into a only. Here minus b plus c is equal to 0. Now you can substitute a is equal to b or not? That means you can substitute where a is equal to b. That means can I write here b minus b plus c is equal to 0. In the brackets you can write here and c. Since here you can write here a is equal b. Yes or no? Just I am substituted a value as b. But you can see here b, this is the plus b, this is minus b. Both will be cancelled or not? That means you can get here c is equal to 0 or not? Yes or no? You got c is equal to 0 and you got a is equal to b. What they are asking, once you can see your question, show that c is equal to 0 and a is equal to b. Is it verified or not? So you can write here hence verified. This is your answer. Just they are asking, show that a is equal to b and c is equal to 0. This is your answer. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our RD Home channel.